Here we go. This is the cat toy, but really, I'm pretty sure it's a baby toy. Makes me feel so powerful to swing something so large around. Does it? Does it make you feel powerful? Yeah. Oh! What happened? Is it on your eyes? Where's Magdalena? Where is it? Here you go. Here, let's turn it. You'll have more satisfaction this way. Can we get it? Yeah. Oh man, this thing is so great. What do you think? Is it great? Is it wonderful? Habu, say hello. Here I am. Oh, I know you want to touch it, don't you? Should we do some tickling? No, I will not laugh for the camera. I want to grab it. I want to grab it. I will not laugh. All right, there is no camera. Don't know what you're talking about. No, you're just not going to play. All right, say bye-bye.